good morning to you all. Very good morning, online students. I hope I'm audible and also the screen is visible. Online students, I hope I'm audible and also the screen is visible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, so I think your law classes got over recently. How many of you are completely new to the class? First class today. Completely new. Maja is there in life. You have just cleared your CA foundation. Direct entry. How many of you are from CA foundation and just cleared your CA foundation? Okay, anyways, those who have cleared, there are few people. Many congratulations to you. You have cleared your first level of CA examination. Of course, you'll clear all the other levels also, everyone, and you'll become chartered accountant very soon. And welcome to ArivuPro. So you have selected one of the best institute in South India for your CA journey. How many of you have attended law classes? Others. And how many of you are completely new? Both lift hand. How many of you are completely new and attended law classes also? Please lift. Yeah. Okay. So meaning most of you are completely okay. Now please note, though you must be knowing about the course because we have almost around more than 30 students who are starting the journey with this subject, new subject. So what I'll do is I'll explain the course once. Okay, entire CA course I'll explain once so that you understand what you are taking up. Now see, in CA, no, the course which you are doing right now is CA. In CA, we have how many levels? In CA, we have totally 3 levels, 1, 2 and 3. CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final. Correct? 3 levels are there. So right now you are in the second level of CA course. Everyone, whoever is there, you are all in second level of CA course, which is CA Intermediate. After this, you have, once you clear this level, you have to do what, sir? Articleship, 2 years, 3 years, depending upon what you want to do in your life. And once that articleship is done, write your CA final examination. Then Maja is there. Every month 1 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees, depending upon where you are joining. Now, this level which is there, which level, sir? The CA Inter level. When we talk about CA Inter, no, in CA Inter we have totally 6 papers. Now these 6 papers are divided through 2 groups. One is your group 1 and group 2. Group 1 and group 2. Group 1 has 3 papers. Group 2 also has 3 papers. What are the papers covered in group 1? Advanced accounts, corporate and other laws, then your taxation. Then you have in your group 2 costing, auditing, FM and SM. So this is how your syllabus is divided into. Each paper will be for 100 marks. So total marks which is allotted for CA Inter is 600 marks. So you have an option of writing all the 6 papers together, or you can write it group wise. You can write either group 1 if you want or group 2. Depending upon how you want to write, you can decide and write your examination. Okay. Now, sir, how is the question paper going to be set, sir? Because, sir, when we came from foundation, sir, there though we had MCQ questions also, we had some descriptive also. So how will be the question paper over here? Now here, what happens in CA Inter, the question paper pattern will be 30% and 70%. 30% and 70% means what? 30% of your question paper will be MCQ. Not only, I mean, let us say advanced accounts, but all the 6 paper, the same format is going to be followed. And 70% of your question paper will be your descriptive or practical. Okay, MCQ, descriptive, practical. Now, sir, do we have negative marking because we have MCQ over here? No, there is no concept of negative marking over here at this level. No negative marking. And final also the same pattern is followed. You have 30% and 70%. Same format is followed. Now, sir, to pass the examination, how much marks should I get, sir? So if you are writing all the 6 papers, you should get, out of 600, you should get 300 marks. You are supposed to get how much? 300 marks to clear your examination. But here there is a catch. How should I get 300? That is very important in life. Now, this 300 is nothing but, can I say, 50% of total marks which is here. In that, minimum you should get 40% in each paper. So repeat. You should get how much? 50%. 50%. In that 50%, you should get 40% in all the subjects. Okay, on all the papers you should get minimum 40%. So this is minimum criteria. So to clear minimum 50%, and to clear in each paper you should get minimum 40%. Sir, repeat, sir, once again. Let us say I am writing only one group. Let us say I am writing only group 1. Advanced accounts is there, company other law is there, tax is there. Please note, this is something which is not at all related to the subject which I am going to teach. Some basic points, correct, now before we actually learn the subject. Now, so let us say I get, say student number 1, he gets 40 marks, 40 marks, 40 marks. Now, though this student would have cleared in all the papers, he has cleared all the papers. What is the total? 120 marks. Now, this 3 papers is for totally 300 marks. He should have got a minimum 50%, which is 150 to clear this group. Has he got 150 to clear this group, sir? No. Now, though he has passed all the subject individually, he has not cleared this exam. Say case number 2, student number 2. That student has got 55, 45 and 50. Now tell me, how much is the total of this student? Sir, calculator I didn't bring, sir. A group base, yeah. 150 is the total over here. 150 is the total. Now this 150, if you see, have I got 40% in all the subjects? Plus I have got 50% aggregate. Yeah, you're understanding. So this should be your criteria. But sir, what if I get 50-50 in all? No problem. No, maja is there. Correct, no. What if I get 55, 55, 55? Array, maja is there. 150. More than 150 you should get. Or 150 or more than 150 you should get to clear that group. But minimum, sir, I got 60. I got 50. I got 39. Laba only you should badko. Okay. This is gone case. Meaning, sir, what is the total over here? 9, 4, 10, 14. No, 149. 149. Aggregate also gone, subject is also gone. Let us say 60, 59 and 38. Now 157. Though my total is more than 150. Okay, not okay. So there is a criteria. That criteria is very important. So don't study a subject assuming, sir, idal 40 bandre saku. Please note, time value of money is there. You would have studied somewhere in your BCom, you would have studied, or FM you would have studied, or you would have studied in foundation if you have done foundation, etc. What happens? The value of 100 rupees today, after 1 year, will it be 100 rupees only? Say if 10% it is, then it will be somewhere around 98 rupees, 92 rupees, etc. Meaning depreciation is there. No? Similarly, if you start preparing like this, let us say you have completed all the subjects, classes are over. Now, sir, accounts I liked, law also I liked, tax I did not like, sir. So tax, if I get 40, that is sufficient for me. Time value of money will work. So if you are aiming for 40, how much will you get? 32 you will get. Sometimes only 2 you will get. Okay, depending upon when you are writing the examination. So your aim should not be to get 40 in any paper. Your aim should never be to get 40 in any paper. Your aim should be to get 40 in the paper at the time when you are writing examination. If you feel it was difficult, that time if you are expecting 40, fine. But your aim should be to get minimum 60. Because 60 also time value of money will be there, no? Correct, no? Now, apart from this, there is one more advantage which you get at from inter level onwards. Okay, from inter and final level, you have one more advantage. What is that advantage, sir? That advantage is that if you get 60 or more in any paper, 60 or more if you get in any paper, then that paper is exempt. That paper is what, sir? Exempt. Sir, what do you mean by exempt? You don't have to write that paper again for the next 3 attempts. Now exemption also, institute has got two types of exemption. One is you take permanent exemption, one you take exemption for 3 attempts. Now what is this permanent exemption for 3 attempts different, sir? Let us say I choose for exemption in 3 attempts, meaning let us say I wrote my exam, okay, and this is my marks. What is my marks? 60. Let us say I'll take 62, 59 and 68. Somewhere it will be around 159. Now can I say I have failed the exam? Hello, why have I failed the exam? Hey, please note, if you are not understanding this only subject, how will you understand? Yeah, this is not. Now please, so have I cleared my examination? Why? Because one of the paper I got only 38 marks, correct? One of the paper I got only 38 marks. Now this paper which is there, accounts, this you have an option of not writing again. I said you have an option of not writing this paper again, meaning whenever it is an option, I have to select whether I should write or not. Next attempt, if I'm writing the examination again, please note, I'm just explaining the concept. Don't feel that, oh, sir, nanu attempt tagotina. No, you will not take any attempts, okay? You will clear in first attempt only. But I'm just telling those goobies who are there, your friends must be there, no, who are not clearing it all. Please come, sir. Yeah. Nice hairs you have. So those people who are what? Who are giving attempt, okay? Those people who are giving attempt, or some of your friends who would have written the examination recently, they would have given attempt. No, you see their marks, okay? Now 62 I have got in one paper, accounts paper I have got 62. Now I have an option of either permanent exemption or exemption for 3 attempts. This permanent exemption scheme they have got recently only, okay? Just now, recent examination they have got this scheme. Now what is the what happens, sir? Now if you take exemption for 3 attempts, now what will happen for the next 3 attempts? Assuming you don't clear the next 3 attempts also, but you'll clear, assuming you don't clear. So next 3 attempts you don't have to write this paper, okay? Now what is the total you should get? 150, correct? Now 150 is the total which I have to get. Now this 150 you can get by getting 40 plus you can get around, let us say, 48. Sir, how, sir? 62 you have already got, plus 48 is how much? 110 plus 40, 150. Okay, yeah. Meaning in this other 2 paper, can I say I have not got 50 marks also? Correct? No, but still I will clear the examination. Why? Because one of the paper which I had got more than 60 or 60, that paper will set off the other papers also. This is when you are going for a exemption for 3 attempts. Some students will be there who will go for permanent exemption. Sir, what is this permanent exemption? I am a person who is choosing to take this paper exempt completely, meaning I will not write at all this paper for next 100 years if I don't clear. Now, in that what will happen is, let us say you have got 62. Now you have claimed for permanent exemption. If you have claimed for permanent exemption, this paper you should never write in your life. Okay? Other 2 paper you have. Correct? No? In that other 2 paper, minimum you should get 50 marks to clear. If you select permanent exemption, this paper you don't have to write, and this paper will not be considered also. It will not be considered also in the future attempts, meaning it is as good as that paper is not there at all for you. If you are going for permanent exemption, it is as good as that paper is not there at all for you. So you should get minimum 50 marks. Minimum 50 marks you should get. Please note. Please note. Go-basm will happen. Sir, I will get 55 and 45, sir, in the next attempt. 45, 55, no, not possible. You should get minimum 50 marks. Minimum 50 marks if you select permanent exemption. Correct? This is just something related to the course. Any question on this point? Many students will have question, and this question they will get after results are coming in their life. So just see. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Online students, do you have any questions?